안녕하세요. AI 코리아 커뮤니티 대표 보평입니다. 요즘에 정말 AI 바쁘죠. 바쁘게 업데이트가 되고 있습니다. 얼마 전에는요, 샘 알트만이 퇴임을 이제 당해서 굉장히 이슈가 되었었는데요. 또 그 이후에는 구글에서 우리도 가만히 있을 수 없다라고 해서 제미나이라는 모델을 발표를 했는데 그 진위 여부가 굉장히 논란이 되고 있는 데모 영상이 요즘에 화제가 또 되고 있습니다. 그래서 여기저기에서 뭐 제미나이의 기능이라든지 뭐 정확히 밝혀지지 않은 그런 것들에 대해서 계속 업데이트를 하고 그렇기 때문에 여러분들도 굉장히 혼란스러울 수 있는데요. 저는 AI 코리아 커뮤니티를 운영하면서 지금까지 1년을 돌아보니까 정말 AI 정보가 너무 많아가지고 이거 이슈몰이처럼 너무 이슈만을 전해드리는 거는 큰 도움이 되지 않겠다. 오히려 여러분들에게 혼동만 줄 수 있겠다라는 생각을 해서 최대한 여러분들한테 핵심적인 내용만 앞으로도 좀 전달을 해 드릴 예정이고요. 이 영상을 보시면서 좀 이 AI 정보가 너무나 난무한 이 시대에 정말 뭐 개발자 이런 분이 아니라 일반인이 알아야 되는 핵심만 알고 싶은 분들은 저희 채널을 앞으로도 계속 구독을 해 주시고요. 자, 오늘은 아마존에서 가만히 있을 리가 없죠. 이 시점에 아마존에서 최근에 키노트 세션에서 발표한 아마존 AI와 관련된 기능입니다. 그 중에서 아마존 Q라는 모델은 비즈니스를 도와줄 수 있는 AI 비서 역할을 하는데요. 가령 나의 데이터들을 다 연결하면 그 비즈니스적으로 데이터를 보호하고, 그러니까 외부 유출이 되지 않는 그런 데이터죠. 그렇게 하면서 여러분들 비즈니스 인사이트를 손쉽게 뽑아줄 수 있는 그런 기능들과 또 타이탄 이미지 기능이 있습니다. 그 기능을 통해서 미드저니처럼 이미지를 생성할 수 있는데요. 아무래도 아마존이다 보니까 여러분이 무언가를 판매할 때 그 판매하는 제품과 관련해서 쉽게 바꿀 수 있는 그러한 기능들이 있습니다. 그래서 오늘 이 영상은요, 얼마 전에 발표한 키노트 세션에서 저희가 꼭 알아야 되는 부분만, 그 부분만 추출을 해서 여러분들한테 알려드리는 내용이니까요. 이 영상 꼭 보시고 아마존이 요즘 시대에 어떻게 또 움직이고 있는지, 또 일반인들인 우리는 어떤 것들을 알아야 되는지 파악하시는 데 도움이 됐으면 좋겠습니다. 그럼 영상 시작하도록 하겠습니다.
Thank you so much again, Daria, for coming out and joining us. Really appreciate it. So the innovation around generative AI models is explosive, and we really look forward to working with all of our Bedrock partners for years to come. Incredibly innovative space. And we're also excited about the large language models and other foundation models that we're building ourselves at Amazon. So our Amazon Titan models were created and pre-trained by AWS. And we're building our own models in order to bring actually a few benefits to customers. So we do have a lot of expertise here. I mean, Amazon has been working on AI for 25 years, got a long track record. We use the technology across our business, and we've learned a lot about building and deploying models. And as a result, we can provide a whole range of models that offer really powerful capabilities and also great economics to support a whole bunch of use cases. And we carefully choose how we train our models and the data that we use to do so. And we're actually going to indemnify customers against claims that our models or their outputs infringe on anybody's copyright. Now, there are already multiple models in the Titan family. We've got Titan Text Lite, which is ideal for text-based tasks like summarization. We've also got Titan Text Express, which is great for more advanced general language tasks like copy editing, copywriting. And we've also got the Titan Text Embeddings model for search use cases or personalization. And we're going to continue adding models to the Titan family. And if you're interested in that, then I highly recommend you tune into Swami's keynote tomorrow. A little word up. Now, all of the foundation models that I've been talking about, they're all extremely capable, and they all enable a lot of great applications. But to really drive your business, you need generative AI that understands your business, understands your customers, understands your products, your operations. And that's only possible when you use your own data to improve and customize the models. The models have to become unique to you. So Amazon Bedrock is giving you all of the purpose-built capabilities that you need to customize the AI applications with your own data. So with a few clicks, you can go from generic applications to ones that are highly specific and highly tailored. So one important technique is called fine-tuning. Now with fine-tuning, you point the models to examples of data in S3 that you've labeled to provide context. For example, you might point to proposals, and you've labeled some of those proposals as strong. So in this way, the model learns from you, learns from your data what matters the most to you. And then Bedrock makes a copy of the base models, it trains it, it creates a private, fine-tuned model so you get tailored responses. So fine-tuning is available in Amazon Titan Text Lite and Express, and today it's also generally available for Cohere Command Lite and Meta Llama 2, and fine-tuning is coming to Anthropic Claude soon. So a second technique for tailoring foundation models for your business is called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. Another one of the terms you see out there a lot. So RAG allows you to customize a model's responses when you want the model to consider new knowledge or up-to-date information. So Bedrock does this for you by calling and bringing back your own data, your data, from multiple sources, including document repositories, databases, other APIs, and more. So for example, the model might use RAG to retrieve search results from our Amazon OpenSearch service or documents from S3. In September, we introduced a RAG capability called Knowledge Bases that connects FM to your proprietary data sources to supplement your prompts with more information. And today, Knowledge Bases is generally available. All right. Thank you. All right, now a third way that you can customize models inside of Bedrock is a technique called continued pre-training. So continued pre-training is a technique that uses large amounts of unlabeled data. Before you fine-tuning, you did the labeled data. Here's unlabeled data, like the raw text of internal reports, financial plans, or research results that you have. And that's going to be used to improve the model's knowledge and its reasoning capabilities, using things in your own specific domain. So continued pre-training is, of course, available in Bedrock today. Now, all of these techniques, they're all powerful tools in making generative AI targeted, making it truly useful for your business. And Bedrock makes it really easy to combine these techniques together. So a great example of a customer using Bedrock to customize their generative AI applications is Delta Airlines. So Delta is actually modernizing its customer service capability with generative AI built on Amazon Bedrock. The new tool is going to be available to answer questions in a more relevant and conversational style by accessing Delta's travel policies, real-time flight schedules, customer rebooking options, and airport conditions. So for example, it could respond to simple questions like, how many bags can I check on a Delta flight? And it can also do more complex questions like, can I carry my cat with me in the cabin to Jamaica? Of course, what else are you going to do with your cat? Delta's been testing with different foundation models in Bedrock, including Anthropic Claude 2.0, Claude Instant, and a fine-tuned Amazon Titan Text Express model. And in this way, they can use the right model to answer different customer questions. It's really powerful how they can combine the most relevant information needed to answer any specific question. Now, with the new customer service tool, Delta Airlines is aiming to provide a delightful and conversational self-service experience, and it's going to improve customer satisfaction. So everyone wants more relevant generative AI applications, right? And Bedrock's making it a lot easier to customize those applications with your own data. But at the end of the day, you want FMs to do more than just provide useful and targeted information. Ultimately, what you're going to want is to use FMs to take action, to actually get things done. And we wanted you to be able to use Bedrock to complete actions like booking travel, filing insurance claims, deploying software, maybe ordering replacement parts. And this usually requires orchestration between multiple systems that operate in your organization. And that's why a few months ago, we introduced agents for Bedrock. And today I'm happy to announce that this powerful feature is today generally available. Now with agents, Gen AI applications can execute multi-step tasks across company systems and data sources, from answering customer questions about product availability to taking a sales order and more. And building with agents is really easy. First, you use Bedrock's setup wizard to select the appropriate model. Then you give the model basic instructions to help the model understand how to respond, like you are a friendly customer service agent who helps customers return items. Next, you specify the Lambda functions that execute the API calls to retrieve the information that's relevant to the task, for example, return policies or inventory levels. And finally, you select the data sources. Then you just select Create Agent, and Bedrock configures your agent, and it is now ready to run. When the agent receives a request, it uses its reasoning capabilities to analyze and to plan the task. And the model works out the sequence of steps, the information needed, the APIs to call, and when to call them. Then it executes the plan, taking all the steps that it needs to gather the information and then complete the task. All in the background, no need to engineer prompts, no need to train the FMs, no need to manually connect systems. With agents, generative AI is becoming an integral part of your business, making it easy to take actions and get tasks done, no heavy lifting required. So we've talked about how Bedrock is making it easy to choose amongst leading models, and also how it gives you so many different ways to customize your generative AI applications with your own data. I'm excited about this, and I actually wanted to show you just a little bit of Amazon Q for your business in action. So to put Q through its paces, please welcome AWS's own Dr. Matt Wood to the stage.
Thanks, Adam, and good morning, everyone. I'm excited to give you a first look at Amazon Q, a new type of AI assistant designed to be an expert in your business. With Amazon Q, you can get quick, accurate, relevant answers to your most pressing business questions, all delivered securely and privately. Getting started with Q is simple and takes just 3 steps. First, you configure Amazon Q by connecting and customizing Q with details of your own organization. Q connects to existing data sources like S3, Salesforce, Microsoft, Google, Slack, and more, supporting over 40 popular business applications and services right out of the box. Once connected, Amazon Q starts indexing all of your data and content, learning everything there is to know about your business. This includes understanding the core concepts, product names, organization structure, all the details that make your business unique. As well as indexing the data from these sources, Q also uses generative AI to understand and capture the semantic information which makes your business unique. This additional semantic information is captured as vector embeddings, allowing Q to provide highly relevant results which are tailored to your specific company and industry. Your data remains completely under your control at all times. Amazon Q never shares it externally or uses it to improve any of the underlying models. And that's it. Surprise, there is no step 3. Just open Amazon Q in your browser, and away you go, with a fully customized, secure assistant who is an expert in your business. You communicate with Q through this friendly web application designed for everyone in your organization to use. Q knows who you are and about your identity and role, and because Q understands your business semantics, you can ask far more detailed, nuanced questions and get tailored answers faster than ever before. For example, you could ask Q to analyze which product features customers are struggling with and recommend ways to improve them. As soon as you hit enter, Q gets to work on understanding your question and preparing an answer. Q starts by creating a set of input prompts automatically. Q then uses all of the business context available to find relevant data, information, and documents, and picks the best ones before combining everything together into a response, all in just a fraction of a second using the power of generative AI. Amazon Q remains faithful to your original sources, citing them in line so that you can validate the information easily. Q's experience might be magical, but there is no magical black box just giving you answers. You can upload new Word documents, CSVs, and other files on the fly to Q to incorporate into its responses, letting you ask questions about ad hoc data which hasn't yet been added to any corporate system. And Amazon Q was built with privacy and security in mind from the ground up. So even if you were to seek information to which we don't have access, Amazon Q respects your existing access controls, only returning information you're authorized to see. Admins can also restrict sensitive topics, filtering out inappropriate questions and answers where necessary. Finally, Amazon Q can take actions on your behalf through a set of configurable plugins. As an example, if you update, say, your training priorities, Q can automatically create tickets in Jira, notify leaders in Slack, and update dashboards in ServiceNow. Q allows you to inspect actions before they run, so you can review them and add additional information. And after the action runs, Q will link to the results for verification. So in summary, Amazon Q brings AI Assistant into the business world, providing secure, relevant, and actionable guidance tailored entirely to your company. We can't wait for you to try Q and see how it will help your organization. With that, back to Adam. Thanks a lot.
That was awesome. Amazon Q is going to make a huge difference for businesses. Employees are going to love how Amazon Q is going to help solve problems, discover and synthesize new information, and lift folks out of monotonous drag of repetitive tasks. And IT is going to love how all of this comes with rigorous security and privacy. Now, I know at least a few of you out there are wondering, if Amazon Q can access my data, does that mean it can help with my business intelligence? And of course, the answer is a resounding yes. So we've been working for a while to make business intelligence more accessible to people without BI expertise. We think anyone should be able to ask questions of their data using natural language. And so Amazon QuickSight, our ML-powered BI service, now has Amazon Q features built in. First, Amazon Q is going to help reduce the time that it takes business analysts to create dashboards and reports from hours down to minutes by letting them simply tell Amazon Q what they want to visualize. For example, regional sales by product has a Sankey diagram. Q comes right back with that diagram, and you can add it to your dashboard with ease. And you can tell Q to further refine the visual. Say you want to change the chart to a vertical stack bar chart by month and color-coded by region. Your wish is Q's command. With Q, you can get better dashboards faster. But even the best dashboards don't tell every angle of the story. For example, you can ask Amazon Q, where did we have the highest sales? And you get a response customized to your business data. You can ask a follow-up question, even as little as one word, like London. And because Q maintains the context of your current conversations, you can get insights from your data quickly. Now, enabling people to talk to Q in QuickSight is a big step forward in helping your organization be even more data-driven. But not everyone is getting hands-on with data. A lot of people consume data through presentations and reports. And so much of you do work is telling stories with data. And as your business expert, Q is here to make that easier too. Let's say you want to create a monthly report on your business in North America. You can ask Q to write a monthly report about the business and make recommendations for next month. And Q is going to give you visualization options. You choose the ones you want, and then Q will format them. And in seconds, you have a beautiful and compelling story. And it's completely customizable. You can actually add more context to this section by asking Q to add a visual of the usage trend. And Q will generate a short summary, and then you can further tweak it by making it longer, shorter, or reformatting it to bullets. Let's make it longer. Once we're happy with the story, we can securely share it with others. With Amazon Q and QuickSight, you now have an expert BI assistant that's going to make it easier for business analysts, and it's going to make it easier for end users to get answers and insights faster. And these new Q capabilities in QuickSight are available in preview today.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Amazon Titan Text demonstration. My name is Brendan Sison, and I'm a Senior Product Marketing Manager for Amazon Bedrock. In just a few moments, I'll be joined by Nitin Eusebius. Nitin is a Senior Solutions Architect at AWS and is a subject matter expert on generative AI solutions. We'll start by giving you a quick overview of Amazon Titan Text, which are new foundation models now available in Amazon Bedrock. And then we'll walk through a demo showcasing Titan Text in action. So with that, let's dive right in. Exclusive to Amazon Bedrock, the powerful general-purpose Amazon Titan family of foundation models are pre-trained by AWS on large datasets, making them suitable for a variety of use cases, while also supporting the responsible use of AI. You can now access Amazon Titan Text foundation models in Amazon Bedrock, which helps you easily build and scale generative AI applications with new text generation capabilities. Amazon Titan Text models are a new addition to the Titan family. We actually offer two unique Titan Text FMs, with one being Amazon Titan Text Express and the other being Amazon Titan Text Lite. These Titan text models help you improve productivity and efficiency for an extensive range of text-related tasks and offer price and performance options depending upon your needs. Amazon Titan Text Express has a context length of up to 8,000 tokens, making it well suited for a wide range of tasks, such as open-ended text generation and conversational chat, as well as support within RAG. Alternatively, with a context length of up to 4,000 tokens, Amazon Titan Text Lite is the fastest model in the Titan Text family and is ideal for fine-tuning so customers can achieve the best combination of accuracy, latency, and cost for English language use cases, such as article summarization and copy rewriting. To support table creation and data formatting, Amazon Titan Text Express and Amazon Titan Text Lite are optimized for a variety of popular programming languages and text formats. Now, before we delve into the technical details, let's get an overview of the system we're showcasing today. In this example, our goal is to first automate the task of staying updated on AWS announcements, then extract the relevant information, and lastly, present that extracted information in a comprehensive manner. Let's walk through the step-by-step process of how our system works. First, we'll showcase AWS announcements retrieval. The system will query AWS APIs to retrieve the latest announcements. These announcements will then be fed into the next stage of our system. Next, we'll move on to Amazon Titan Text summarization. The content of the announcements is processed by Amazon Titan Text. Then, Titan Text will generate concise and informative summaries and extract technology names from each announcement. And finally, we'll move on to the presentation generation stage. Using the summary of information gathered in the previous step, the system automatically generates a presentation. The presentation includes key details and highlights from the AWS announcements. Now, I'm excited to move on to a live demonstration of our system in action. Nitin, please take it away.
Thank you, Brendan. Now let's take a look at the demo using Amazon Titan Text. The demo is going to evaluate the AWS announcements and auto-generates a presentation. The system is going to retrieve the most recent AWS announcement based on the entered date, summarize the content using Amazon Titan Text, extract the technology name, and additionally will also send out an email summary generated by Amazon Titan Text. So with this, you have selected a date, in this case 28 September 2023. Select your large language type Amazon Titan Text and click on Submit. The system will start preparing to gather AWS What's New announcement and will start getting ready to process the information which it's able to retrieve. As you can see, once it finds the information around the announcements for that particular date, it will go step by step, evaluating each of those announcements, passing it to Amazon Titan Text to get the summary, and also at the same time extract the technology name. So as you can see over here, it is going through each of those announcements, in this case, summarizing one of two announcements found, summarizing it and extracting the technology name. Now let's wait for it to finish for all of the announcements that are found for this particular date. Now, once all of the information is processed, it will finalize creating the PowerPoint slide for you. Now let's take a look at the generated output of the PowerPoint slide. As you can see, the system has generated the PowerPoint slide with those two announcements which was found for the date 28 September 2023. As you can see, for the first announcement, two key takeaways are extracted through using Amazon Titan Text, and also the Amazon Titan Text was able to extract the key technology names. Similarly, you can see for the second announcement, two key takeaways and the technology names are extracted. Now let's take a look at the email which is generated. As you can see in the email, the information for those two AWS announcements based on the entered date is present. We would like to focus our attention onto the second column for the summary, which is generated from Amazon Titan text. So with this, the users would be able to get a glimpse of the AWS announcements and engage further. With this, now let's deep dive into the architecture diagram to see how all of this is working. First, the process starts by downloading the latest RSS API feed from AWS What's New. This will help to retrieve all of the links and the relevant details for the selected date on the UI. Based on the announcements that were found, so for example, in our case, we saw two announcements, you pass in the content to Amazon Bedrock using prompts. Amazon Bedrock will then pass it to Amazon Titan text as the large language model to help retrieve the technology names and also the key takeaways. The result from that is passed to our process orchestrator, which first goes ahead and saves the prompts and the results to Amazon DynamoDB for later analysis. Then it will generate a PowerPoint output from the content that was returned from the large language model type, in this case, Amazon Titan text, which includes the technology names and the key takeaways. Additionally, using Amazon Simple Email Service, you will be also able to get the summarized information into your inbox. With that, I will hand it over to Brendan for further details.
Thank you for that educational demo, Nitin. We hope this demo sparks some ideas of how you can use Amazon Titan text models within your organization to improve productivity and efficiency for a broad range of tasks that involve text generation. To get started using Titan text models in Amazon Bedrock, visit the Amazon Bedrock console. We're really excited to see what you all build with these text generation capabilities provided by Titan text large language models. Thank you. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Amazon Titan image generator demonstration. My name is Brendan Sison, and I'm a senior product marketing manager for Amazon Bedrock. In a few moments, I'll be joined by Bashwan Soon. Bashwan is a senior artificial intelligence and machine learning solutions architect at AWS. We'll start by giving you a quick overview of Amazon Titan Image Generator, a new foundation model now available in Amazon Bedrock. And then we'll walk through a demo showcasing Titan Image Generator in action. So with that, let's dive right in. Exclusive to Amazon Bedrock, the powerful, general-purpose Amazon Titan family of foundation models are pre-trained by AWS on large data sets, making them suitable for a variety of use cases, while also supporting the responsible use of AI. Amazon Titan Image Generator is a new addition to the Titan family. You can now access the Amazon Titan Image Generator foundation model in Amazon Bedrock, which helps you easily build and scale generative AI applications with new image generation and image editing capabilities. Amazon Titan Image Generator enables content creators with rapid ideation and iteration, resulting in high efficiency image generation. With Titan Image Generator, customers in industries like advertising, e-commerce, media, and entertainment can generate realistic studio quality images in large volumes and at low cost using natural language prompts. You can easily edit existing or generated images with in-painting and out-painting features, and also generate image variations. You can also securely customize this model using your company data to produce images consistent with your brand style. Additionally, Titan Image Generator is trained with high quality and diverse data sets, enabling you to create more accurate outputs. All Amazon Titan Foundation models offer built-in support for the responsible use of AI by detecting and removing harmful content from the data, rejecting inappropriate user inputs, and filtering model outputs. Further, to reduce the spread of misinformation, all Amazon Titan generated images contain an invisible watermark by default, which is designed to help reduce the spread of misinformation. Now, I'm excited to pass it over to Bashwan to demo the model's comprehensive image editing features.
Thank you very much, Brendan. So here I'd like to showcase the power of the Amazon Bedrock Titan image models. Firstly, Suppose I like to create a postcard for my family. Here I will prompt the Bedrock to generate an image of a log cabin house on a snowy mountain. Okay, that looks nice, but I'd like to make some changes to this picture. Let's say I want to change the house to a red train because my family happens to work in the train industry. That looks cool, but this picture maybe looks a little bit too cold. Then let's make it a little bit warm. So change the snow terrain to a rainforest. Now I have a postcard that I can send to my family for a red train that's passing through a rainforest. Pretty cool, right? So next, I would like to showcase another use case on image searching capability. Let's say I'd like to generate advertisement or purchase a backpack. Here I will get some help from the Bedrock Titan model. Hey, I'm looking for a backpack. Show me some options. It looks pretty nice, and I like the last one. So I'd like to have more details about it. Here I get the detailed information returned by the Amazon Bedrock. Now I would like to see how it looks like in the real world. Let's say if I go adventure and take this backpack with me to a snow mountain, what would it look like? Looks cool. But after I come back, I'd like to bring it to the classroom. Very nice. Now I'd like to brag in front of my friends on the social media. So I would have the Bedrock to write an Instagram post for me. Pretty cool, huh? I hope you enjoyed the demo. And now I'm going to hand it back to Brendan.
Thank you for that educational demo, Bashwan. We hope this demo sparked some ideas of how you can use Amazon Titan Image Generator to produce high quality, realistic images or enhance existing images simply by using natural language prompts. To get started with Titan models in Amazon Bedrock, visit the Amazon Bedrock console. We're really excited to see what you all build with these image generation and image editing capabilities provided by Titan Image Generator. Thank you.
자, 어떠셨나요, 여러분? 오늘 영상 잘 보셨나요? 앞으로도 AI 코리아 커뮤니티는 AI 정보가 난무하는 이 시대에 경거망동하지 않고 정말 필요한 정보만을 전해드릴 생각입니다. 어차피 이 AI 코리아 커뮤니티를 운영하고 유튜브로 그렇게 뭐 구독자가 뭐 많아지거나 먹방 이런 게 아니잖아요. 그래서 유튜브로 뭐 큰 돈을 벌 수도 없습니다. 그래서 괜히 어떤 자극적으로 이슈몰이 이런 걸 하는 것보다는 저희의 슬로건에 맞게 AI 시대에 어떻게 하면 일반인들이 AI에 필요한 정보를 얻고 대중화를 하는데 기여할 수 있는지 고민을 하면서 그러한 정보를 엄선해 드릴 예정이니까요. 앞으로도 엄선된 정보를 원하시는 분들은 AI 코리아 커뮤니티 저희 유튜브 구독 아직 안 하셨으면 구독해 주시고요. 또 댓글 부탁드리도록 하겠습니다. 또 저희가 얼마 전에 미드저니 풀 영상 올렸었죠. 강의, 유료 강의급인데요. 무료로 그냥 강보현 작가님과 푼 영상이 있고요. 또 최근에는 PPT에서 AI를 어떻게 접목하는 좋은지 PPT의 장인 소수비 작가님과 영상을 촬영한 내용도 있습니다. 그래서 그 영상도 보셨으면 좋겠고요. 자, 지금까지 영상 시청해 주셔서 감사드리고요. 저는 다음 동영상으로 돌아오도록 하겠습니다. 감사합니다.